The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a fire warning at the request of Oklahoma Forestry Services for western Woodward County. At 5:37 p.m. Central Standard Time, a dangerous wildfire continues near Woodward, moving rapidly east-northeast at 3 to 5 miles an hour. Areas impacted: Woodward. Additional information: smoke and fire will present a threat to life and property near and south of Woodward. Be prepared to evacuate quickly if requested and follow all safety instructions from local emergency management officials. Do not drive into smoke. Firefighters and incident responders should anticipate extreme fire behavior, including wind-driven runs, torching, and spot fires. Dangerous fire behavior may exceed traditional offensive suppression tactics and require immediate actions to protect life and property.